Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem of TikTok that you can see or everyone face that you are following too fast. For example, I see this video and I immediately click on the plus icon on the profile. So most of us see a message or a notification of you are following too fast. It means according to TikTok, it's an abnormal behavior. So you just come here and begin to follow anyone or any random person. So it's abnormal behavior. So TikTok might take action against you and might block your account or suspend your account. So I am honestly telling you that there is no solution of TikTok you're following too fast problem. So if you have a problem and your account is suspended, then I advise you to wait. The more you wait, the more it is beneficial for you. So I hope you can understand my explanation. If you have any question about this, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.